Use discount code JacobViral to save when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Xplicit Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video. Nice. Oh, this is different. You got a whole cabin made. Is this like a Jeep or?
It's a Geo Tracker, a 95 Geo Tracker.
Okay. Wow. So can you tell me your name and what's in here real quick?
My name is John DeBall. I got a TikTok. It's B_Tracker. I got an MD8K and it's 13015. It's a 6th order right now. I did have 2 of them in there.
So did you change it from a 4th to a 6th?
Yeah, I had 2 of them. One started rubbing, so I pulled it out.
Okay.
And put it in the 6th.
How do you like changing it up? Do you notice any major changes?
It definitely hits the lows a lot better with the one speaker.
Yeah.
It was tuned to like 53 hertz, or peaked around 53 hertz. Now
Yeah.
it's peaking probably around 40ish.
Okay. Very nice. Looks good. All right. And this is at 1 ohm or 2 ohm? Or half?
It is actually wired at 1 right now.
All right. Is there a way I could look in there on your side of the sure. I'm just kind of curious to see how your port area is and the design of it all.
It's actually designed by pull that bottle again.
There you go.
It's designed by BIG Sub.
Okay. Yes, sir. Wow. So this is all fiberglass in as your cabin. Wow. Do you have a wooden frame? Okay, it's built into it. There you go. Nice. That looks good. Did you build all this? Sweet. Yeah, I'd love a demo.
It's an 80 amp hour inline.
She said, I never seen a man who looks so all alone. The culture you little company. My price, your evening will be nice and you can send me on my way. I said, you're such a sweet young thing, away you do this to yourself. She looked at me and this is what she said all day. They don't grow up shit. I'm still walking on the street when I saw the shot. Man, creep out of sight. And then he swept up behind, he put a gun up to my head, he made it clear. They're looking for a pocket. Mr. Kid, God, I want your money, not your life if you try. The more I want the cash. I told him, you want my cash, but first you know, I gotta ask to make. I was walking up the street when out the corner of my eye I saw a thing approaching me. She said, I've never seen a man who looks so well along the country. You see the company. If you pay the price, your evening will be nice and you can send me on my way. I said, you're such a young thing, why you do this to yourself? She looked at me and this is what she said all day. Don't grow on tree. And then it's worth for free. I wish I could. Close our eyes, but minutes later, I'm still walking on the street when I saw the shot. Creep out the side, and then he swept up behind. He put a gun to my head. He made it.
Awesome. One little sub.
Yeah.
That's pretty good, man.
Yeah.
Yep. Awesome. Thank you much for the demo, man.
No problem. I
Definitely pretty unique, man.
What was that? Fucking it, you know. Hey. I'm still walking on the street when I saw the shot. Man, creep out the side, and then he swept and he put a gun to my head. He made it clear.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Sky High Cardio, Xplicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see you all in the next one.